To fix a Honda lawnmower that won't start, several issues should be considered. The primary reasons for this problem are a blocked air filter, a faulty spark plug, or the choke not being engaged. To address these issues, start by checking the air filter. Locate the air filter housing, remove the cover, and inspect the filter for dirt, debris, or oil. If the filter is dirty, gently tap it to remove loose particles, or replace it with a new one for severe blockages. Once the filter is clean or replaced, put the housing cover back on, ensuring a snug fit, and test the lawnmower. If the issue persists, check the spark plug, inspect the plug for signs of wear or corrosion, and clean it with a wire brush if necessary. If the plug is damaged, replace it with a new one, and use a spark plug gap tool to adjust the electrode gap. Reattach the wire and start the mower to see if the issue is resolved. Another potential cause is the choke not being engaged. To resolve this, locate the choke lever and check the fuel flow. Ensure there is fuel in the tank and the fuel valve is open. Start the engine by pulling the starter cord while maintaining the choke position. As the engine warms up, slowly move the choke lever to the off position. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Honda lawnmower.